Every 9 seconds, a woman in America being beaten. This is for the answers. Your hands weren't designed to hit a woman. Your hands were designed to hold, to brace, to lift her chin up, professing that we're in this together. Your hands were designed to scuffle of coins when funds get low. Do what you gotta do. Sometimes misplace your ego so you can receive charity just to secure your own. Your hands were designed to climb your way up the corporate ladder. Carry your briefcase. Tinky your way through technology. Stroll the trash out on Monday mornings. Trim the hedges before the sun leaves. Answer the phone when your boss is calling. Wash your work clothes for the J.O.B. Burn up a meal for breakfast. Then fan out the smoke detector when it feels like hell is about to attack. Then turn around and let her know this is not even half of what you can do while the other hand is tied behind your back. Your hands are designed to snap in the name of the Lord, then fold for forgiveness. Your hands are designed to trade in your player's cards for a hand in marriage. Your hands are designed to sign your child's name down on that birth certificate. Your hands are designed to hang up decorations during the holidays. Photograph memories so they won't wander away. See, listen, in the composition of your hands, the muscles are minute, nearly negligent. But when balled up for a punch, the hand has a force of 8.9 meters per second. Your hands weren't made for that gravitation. Your hands are not tools to create destruction. Your hands are tools to build a house into a home. To build a fire when it's cold. Teach your son how to spin that football. Make sure it travels across the globe so he'll know nothing's impossible. Your hands are designed to protest for the powerless, preventing injustice. Your hands are designed to pledge allegiance to our flag and applaud our leaders. Your hands are designed to adjust your glasses so you can see things outside of a crooked realm, undo a system of doings and the way they've been done. Be it on hands, history to change. Being the mistake, then wipe the sweat alongside your face. Scoop up your keys, fly back to your safe haven. The only place you know is home, and after a long stay of hard work, locate your sanity. The one who says I love you and hug her neck to death.